Welcome to this week's app of the day. Okay, so we'll begin with today's app that is SpringPad. I hope you know about it. It's a great day-to-day notifications app and well planner and almost all those things you don't get in various other things are recorded. So basically, let's start with SpringPad. Now I would like to present to you the new interface that SpringPad has brought to the tablet surface. I'm using an Nexus 7 device, and so you can see. Okay. Actually, this is a home screen view where we enter into the app, and you could see the three parts where I've just saved and I'm starting to use. Normally, in other apps like Evernote and other notification planner apps, you don't find we can do so. For example, let's see. I'm going to start a notebook and I'll show you. See, almost every single thing you can find here is that you can add a link, an audio, place, recipe, product, movie, everything. Which is actually normal apps, but in the case of SpringPad, you could do it as a. For example, if I'm going to save a book, and actually you have to note that I'm already online, I could search for a book. Okay, I'm searching for Wolf of Wall Street, and yeah, actually it's in the first search suggestion. So what I would do is that almost all the books that is available can be taken from the internet database. So it's actually working as a data puller. So I'm selecting right now the Wolf of Wall Street, and I can leave the file as something like a work project or something, so that it's under work project, and I can write a comment. Yeah, this is the best book. Okay, so it's kind of really easy, for me to do it. Okay, and I'm putting a notification and I'm putting a smiley around it. So I'm going to save this, and it's already saved. So this interface is actually being saved in all the platforms where I'm using SpringPad. Moreover, you get a notification. See, that's the beauty of this app. You could equally get a thumbnail view, and you could share it with many people. You could favorite it. You could actually share it in Facebook. As I've shown before you about a book, the remaining 12 categories can be dealt in the same way. The most probable and happening thing about this app is that they have included almost all the needed things. For example, you have your audio that should be notified, and a video that you could share, and even which you can go for and something like that. Okay. Basically, they have designed this app for mainly three things we are going to do every day, and those three things are for a task we have to do. For example, I'm just setting up a new task called Sam's marriage. Okay. Sam's marriage. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to make a due date for that. That will be on 27th of this. I could write a comment that I have to, like buy something or something like that. I have to buy some flowers. Yeah, okay. Even though, yeah, that'll be good. Okay. Yeah. I just gonna favorite it, and okay, no problem. Okay, so I could search this. I could put this under a notebook if there is a notebook available. Right now, I'm always putting it under a work project or something like that, or I could add a notebook. Okay, done. Then I could also tag it so that it makes it more easier to get it to be found. So that is something about task. You could easily tag it. You could easily tell that if it's finished or not. And yeah. Okay. The third point, which is the best part and which is the one that I liked very much, is that you could create a checklist. Checklist is very simple if you're doing it through SpringPad. For example, you have an evening party, and so for an evening party, what all things do you want? You need some beer. You need to buy some. Okay, you need to buy some beer. Okay. Okay, you need to buy something, some glass or something like that. Okay, that'll be good. Okay. Okay, I just started. I just put a notification order with regard to that, and yeah. So this is a checklist. I could add some checked items. I could even include put some down it. So moreover, whenever you check this checklist, it will be there available for everyday use. So almost the three things. So as I've said before, you could put a note, you could put a task, you could put a checklist. It's very simple and very easy to do also. This is under an unfiled leave, so I could also put this in the work project. Okay, add to work project, that's done already. Okay, now as you can see, this is what SpringPad aims at, providing an easy way how to operate your life. You could initiate everything, you could put up your projects, you could eventually end up saying that your movie, a red book or something, you could put reviews on it, and you could eventually put listing about how and what to do when an event is following you. Okay. SpringPad has its own advantages and disadvantages together. What is more important is that in SpringPad you could share everything, every note, every some specific events or follow easily and with your collaborator. You could easily get through the free interfaces they have provided right now. That is from what I have saved. This is my actual home window where I have saved the most important things to me, and I could go for creating my new notebooks. I could search for finding whatever it is. Even though SpringPad helps us to organize ourselves, there are so many disadvantages with regard to a document point of view. For example, if you're looking for something more official in like storing PDFs, PNGs or something like that, SpringPad doesn't collaborate very well. In that case, it would be our greatest thing to show use Evernote. Evernote quickly adds your organized documents and very easy to. It's like an information office tool that is very fast to review also. But in the case of Spring, as you can see, it's actually very private. You could store things to yourself. You could take that as a big collaborated personal assistant for everything you can do, and that is something really good. For example, you could do almost all the things as such you're telling a personal assistant to do. You have to create a movie, you have to go for a movie, you have to start up an event, to go for a meeting and all. It actually reminds you as if it's a good friend of you. So with this conclusion, we are just ending up a small review about SpringPad, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Do subscribe for us in TechnoWriter, and thank you for watching us.